Hello beautiful, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you have been here before, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy to have you here with me because today we're going to talk about the most magical and super powerful mantras in the world. Before we start talking about the super magical mantra, I'm going to tell you something about manifestation. This is a fact. This is a truth that every human needs to know when they start their manifestation journey. When it comes to manifestation, when people start talking about manifesting their dream lives, everyone starts thinking and assuming that manifestation is a weird, magical superpower that some people have, and some people must try so hard until they can achieve it, if they can achieve it. But I'm here to tell you that is not true. There is nothing weird about manifestation. There is nothing complicated about manifestation. Manifestation is not a complicated code system that you need to learn how to do so that you could achieve your goals and dream life. Stop listening to what you see in social media. Stop believing everything that people say. Manifestation is within you. It's very simple. Most people are looking for so much complicated methods so that they think the more complicated a method is, the better it works. But it's not how it is. There are many different methods for manifestation that you could get help from and align your energy so you could easier manifest your dream life. But it has nothing to do with how complicated it is. The most powerful manifestation methods are the simplest and easiest methods. Let me put it to you this way. Today we're going to talk about a mantra which you have been using your whole life unknowingly. You don't know you have been using this mantra, and you don't know the life that you have designed for yourself today has been designed using this mantra. Today you're living a life that you might like it, you might not like it, you might want to change it, you might want to change some areas of your life, but whatever you're living today is the life you have designed using the mantra which we're going to talk about today. This mantra has superpowers. Whatever you want to do in life can be done and achieved using this mantra. Why? Because manifestation comes from programming your unconscious mind. That is it. If you know how to program your unconscious mind, then you have aligned your energies properly. And then if you know how to connect to the energies of the universe and your energies are aligned, you could do it within minutes. It's super easy and simple. There are so many ways that I can teach you how to align your energy and how to easily connect to the energies of the universe. You can find them and learn them in my online course, DIY Your Happy Life online course. But I'm going to talk about the most powerful tool today. And that is a mantra you've been using all your life, as I mentioned, and that is I am mantra. If you pay attention to your life today, you have designed it based on the beliefs that you had about yourself. So you've been telling yourself all your life that I am not worthy. I am not capable. I'm not smart enough. I'm not confident. I'm not lovable. There are so many things that you might have been telling you about yourself. And those are the mantras which has designed your life today. So today we're going to start learning how to use I am mantra so that you could change and transform your life into the life that you want to have. As I said, it's very simple, but people think if it's not complicated, it's not going to work. Believe me, it's simple, but it works so magical. It's super powerful. Just start using it from this moment and you're going to see the magic for yourself. When you start using I am mantras, I am smart, I am protected, I am safe, I am loved, I'm capable, I'm confident, I'm worthy. When you start using I am mantras the way that you want to be, when you start announcing to the universe and to your unconscious mind about who you want to be, and when you announce it out loud that I am who I want to be, your unconscious mind will automatically transform and it will be who you want to be. It will help you transform yourself and your life. And before you know it, you're living the life which you are calling out with I am mantras. So start from today and use I am mantras in every area of your life. Pay attention to everything you do. You could set an alarm on your phone to remind you to use I am mantras, or you could just pay attention to all the things that you do. If you're talking to your partner and you're feeling unworthy, start using the mantra I am worthy in your own mind. Start repeating out loud to yourself or within your own mind, I am worthy, I am confidence, I deserve all the best. And that is going to transform your life. That is going to transform who you are. That is going to transform everything that happens around you, from unpleasant situations to amazing, magical, pleasant situations. And that is what you want to achieve in your life. The best way you could use I am mantra is obviously by repeating it in your mind or out loud. But another best way, which needs commitment, and you really, really need to do this every day, is to include it in your journal. Everyday journal, whatever journal that you use, include I am mantras. So just dedicate a page every single day to I am mantras and start writing. I am smart, I am beautiful, I'm worthy, I'm capable, I'm confident, I'm lovable. Whatever that you want to write and be, write it in your journal every single day. Do not skip a day, because the more you use I am mantras, the faster you achieve your dream life. I hope you love this video. If you do love it, if you do like it, don't forget to share it with your loved ones, because you're going to create good karma for yourself. If you want to learn more magical tips and tricks and super powerful methods to achieve your dream life, go ahead and check out my online course in the description below this video. Find out how it works and find out what you could learn there in my online course. And if you're not interested in the online course, watch my free webinar, because you're going to learn another magical, super powerful method which is going to transform your mood from low to perfectly high within like 30 minutes or 20 minutes. It's going to help you a lot. The free webinar is going to help you a lot. So watch the free webinar and enjoy it. You could also find a link to the free webinar in the description below this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the like button, and do not forget to press the bell button, because I upload videos every single week and you're going to get notified about manifestation methods that can change your life forever. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for being here with me. I wish you an amazing day filled with love, joy, happiness, and positivity. Goodbye.